Hey, it's George Kindler with eXp Realty. I'm going to do a quick video walkthrough of our new listing, 861 Country Glen. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, about 1,000 square feet, ranch style house here in Imperial. So it's going to be a quick video because I'm not willing to pay for a $2,000 Matterport camera. So I just passed the living room. Here's the first bedroom. On my right, you're more than welcome to pause as you're watching the video. And here we go into the second bedroom, both good sized bedroom. Third bedroom is always a little bit smaller in this square footage. And here's what we would consider the main or the primary bedroom, overlooking the backyard. Also good size. So there's only one bedroom on the main floor. Excuse me, there's only one bathroom. There's 3 bedrooms. Only one bathroom. Nicely updated. Take you into the kitchen. Kitchen and dining room, large enough. You could put a 4-seater table there, but really the selling point of this house, I think, is this deck. Overlooks the yard. You can see there's plenty of room to play and let your 4-legged friends run around, and lots of room to entertain. So I'll do a quick walkthrough down to the basement and out to the backyard so you can get an idea of the size of the backyard. And you're more than welcome to fast forward through this part of the video because who really wants to look at me walk downstairs? Clearly I forgot to turn the lights on. Then there's me in multiple mirrors. Good little place to entertain. Another bathroom, full. I know that tiny sink, it does count as a full bathroom. Also, these lights I forgot to turn on. Here's some unfinished space, perfect for storage. Now, of course, I'm shooting this video right after it's been raining forever, and the great news is it's dry. So who doesn't love a dry basement after getting 2 weeks worth of rain? It's a bonus patio down here. You can also entertain or send the kids to play. Lots of room. And I have to keep the video short because, well, this only limits me to 5 minutes. So if you would like more information, feel free to reach out. But that's it for 861 Country Glen. It'll be live this weekend.